Animal Z really knows how to throw an open house, man. I'm telling you. Traffic's backed up like probably 2 or 3 miles. Thing's ridiculous. That's like basically the entrance, and all these cars are all lined up all the way over there, and then we got this whole row right here, and on the other side, there's even more cars. So it's pretty eventful. Pretty cool. I heard TJ Hunt's here. I know Black Widow Supra's here as well. Thanks, man. But yeah, just waiting to get in now. Oh, made it to the open house. Some sick ass cars here. BMW right there. This is my favorite probably right here. This thing is sick. This is like the dream right here to have just clean ass 8.6. This thing's probably worth like 14, 15 grand. That's so badass. Jesus, bro. That exhaust is touching the ground. That's crazy. My boys from High Rev brought the R34 Tommy Kaira. Badass. This is why I love Florida, because we get to have shit like this. All the Supras. And we got a 458. This is just another car to me. Oh, he's lower too.
I don't know.
Nice. God damn. Yo, so you gonna move to Florida yet or what? I mean to Orlando? Sorry.
Maybe.
It's just crazy, dog. I think it's fine.
Is that more or like, oh fuck?
This is crazy. This S15 is nasty, bro. That chameleon color. Nice. R33. Super sick. Free road. So many people here. God damn, he has all his cars out today. I love this. I love this thing. This and the Chaser. Badass. God damn. Oh, my bad. Jesus. What the fuck? That's insane. You got PSI. Wow, shoe. Damn, this thing is badass. What is this? Old 5 Series? Damn, this thing's badass. Yeah, so many sick cars here. I've seen one of these in a wagon version. I was like, oh my god. Sick.
Look at this rig.
V2 Lab Evo. This thing is badass. Sad boy status. Crazy turnout. Everybody checking out the whip. That's what's up. This fucking guy.
Excuse me. Pon esto enfocado, cabrón. Chris. Grabado. Someday I might go over my buddy Chris. He's gonna film and get you guys alive. Oh shit, I don't want to put this. Hey, that's fine. That midnight purple is ridiculous. Damn, it's insane. Here we go. We got Titan Supra. And we got Black Widow Supra. Oof. I gotta get my camera. Bernie!
What up, Chris?
You saw the video?
Yeah, a little bit. Damn, this shit's crazy.
I give the camera to my boy that he knows how to record.
Yeah. Okay.
Because this guy gave me his phone to do a live.
Yeah.
And like at the moment that he threw his life, it was like 1,000 fucking years. I'm like, oh shit, there's too many people for my face.
This shit's crazy, dude. Did you detail this one or no?
Huh?
Did you detail this one or no?
I just watched it like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Damn. That shit's
And
nice.
it's a paint correction, and it's paint.
Es rápido.
We fried the clutch on the way here.
Oh
so we
my
really
God.
didn't get to do a nice. We did a nice pull.
Yeah.
And it felt really good. It's for 666.
Jesus.
I've been on 800. I've been on 900.
Well, guys,
meet was very eventful. Me and Brandon enjoyed ourselves. Met a couple of famous YouTubers and everything. I actually just had a conversation with Kyle, Black Widow Supra. He's a real humble dude, real cool guy. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed all the cars that I recorded today. And I'll see you guys soon or in the next video. So, alright guys, catch you next time. Deuces. One love.
Thank you.